So this is the Nintendo Switch OLED. This is the Mario Kart version. Let's do an unboxing and see what we get in here. Ooh, very nice. Wow, it's got a nice screen. You got your controllers. Each controller is fun because you can use them separately. So one for one person, one for the other person if you're doing a two-player game. Really nice controls. Got buttons all over that do different things for different games, so it's pretty awesome. All right, let's take this part out. This is if you want to play on your big TV or if you want to play it on this screen right here, and your controllers will just lock into place like so. A really nice screen. It's got a stand on it as well, so you can stand it up to watch things. You have your headphones out. Volume buttons, power button, game card slot, and USB-C for charging. So we have some little manuals and stuff. So we could go through the whole setup, but the screen is really bright. It's really nice. You can put it down here and plug everything into it and set up like when you plug it into your TV. It's just the way to go out for that. And you have your plugs for HDMI. You have your power adapter. You have, this will turn your controllers into like a remote if you're playing like that, just playing like that. You also have a little wrist strap that you can hook onto it. So I believe you have two of those, yeah, so you don't drop it when you're playing like sports and things where you're moving it a lot. So it's really cool, really nice looking. What a, like, just really quality made. So I like this a lot. Just wanted to share that unboxing experience with you. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.